Yeah.
What's up guys, Joey here, Tech, and Xiaomi is back at it again, bringing another ultimate bang for your buck device in the form of the Redmi K20 Pro. So this is the spiritual successor, or depending on your market, the actual successor to last year's Pocophone F1. It's also a flagship grade, mid-range priced device that I'm sure a lot of you are excited about. So am I. So without any further ado, let's take it out of the box. Inside, we find a smaller box that contains our SIM ejector tool, manuals, and a really nice black case. Then we have the phone itself, the 27-watt fast charger, and a USB Type-A to Type-C cable. Alright, so taking a look at the K20 Pro, obviously we get that awesome all-screen look thanks to the inclusion of a pop-up selfie camera that lights up red. It looks really cool. The screen is pretty big at 6.39 inches, and we have slim bezels all around, with the chin being slightly thicker. It's also a really nice screen since we do get a 1080p Super AMOLED panel, which means that aside from the vibrant colors and deep blacks, we have the always-on display available, as well as the under-display fingerprint scanner, which, by the way guys, is pretty fast. Anyway, moving to the back, we have this really cool flame red finish. I mean, just look at that. That's like some Jean Grey Dark Phoenix vibes going on. I really like it. The panel seems to be made of 3D curved glass, so aside from looking cool, it feels super premium too. Also found here is the triple rear camera setup, which includes a 48 megapixel main camera, a telephoto camera, and an ultra-wide camera. That's a lot of flexibility for a variety of different shooting situations, and so far our sample photos are looking pretty good, but do stay tuned for a full review for a more in-depth look. Alright, moving on to the rest of the device, we have the power and volume buttons on the right side. On the bottom, SIM tray with no microSD card support unfortunately, USB Type-C port, and loudspeaker. Up top, headphone jack, and of course the 20 megapixel pop-up camera. So what makes this phone really exciting is the really powerful Snapdragon 855 chipset inside that will give you blazing fast flagship performance. You also get up to 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. Stay tuned for our episode of Can It Game. Powering the device is a large 4000 mAh battery with support for 27-watt fast charging, which we will definitely test out in our full review to see how fast that is. For software, of course, we have Android Pie skinned with MIUI 10. Our unit here has the China ROM unfortunately, but at least we did manage to install the Google Play Store. So, how much does this thing cost? Well, in China, it starts at 2,499 yuan for the 6GB RAM 64GB storage variant, and goes all the way up to 2,999 yuan for the 8GB RAM 256GB storage variant. That's between around 18 and 23,000 pesos when converted directly, which makes the Redmi K20 Pro not just the cheapest Snapdragon 855 powered smartphone, but it's also looking to be the flagship killer of this year, much like the Pocophone F1 was for 2018. Alright, so that was our hands-on of the Redmi K20 Pro. Let me know what you guys think of this phone in the comments down below, and be sure to stay tuned for our full review. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yougotech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, this has been the Redmi K20 Pro, and I'll see you in the next one.